Okay, now let's do initial value problem, and we will also give the largest interval I where the solution is defined. So we have dy over dx is equal to x plus 5y, and y of 0 is equal to 3. Now what does this mean? If you remember on our first video I talked about it. So here y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 0 because y is dependent of x. Now let's solve it. So first of all, we have to put it in the same fashion that we have been doing all the time. So we have dy over dx, then we pass this one to the other side, so it's minus 5y, it's equal to x. So, or this minus 5, it's our p of x, so p of x is equal to minus 5. And the integral of p of x dx, it's going to be the integral of minus 5 dx, it's equal to minus 5x. Okay, it just equals to minus 5x. So now let's plug it. So we have y, it's equal to e to the minus integral of p of x dx times the integral of e to the integral of px positive dx times f of x times dx plus c times e to the minus integral of p of x dx. So y it's equal to e to the minus 5x times e to the minus 5x times f of x is just x dx, it's equal to plus c e to the minus 5x. Now first let's solve this little integral from here, and we also have to use u and du. So first of all, we have this one to be p prime, it's equal to e to the minus 5x. So the integral of this b is equal to minus 1/5 of e to the minus 5x, sorry, dx also in here, and then u it's equal to x, and du it's just equal to the x. Okay, just as easy as that. Now let's solve. We're just solving the integral, we are not multiplying yet. So we have here that this is going to be equal to the multiplication of uv, so it's minus 1/5 of x e to the minus 5x, so it's a multiplication of this one and this one, minus the integral of this v times du, so of minus 1/5 of e to the minus 5x times dx. So we just have to integrate and then integrate this one again. So we have minus 1/5 of x e to the minus 5x. This one times this one, it's a plus, but when we integrate this one, we will have a minus 1/25 of e to the minus 5x. Okay? And now let's plug everything in there. So from this one, we have y, it's equal to e to the 5x times the integral, so it's 1/5 of x e to the minus 5x minus 1/25 of e to the minus 5x plus c e to the 5x. Now this one will cancel this one, And therefore we will have that y it's equal to minus 1/5 of x for this term, and for this term we will just have that is minus 125, nothing more, plus c e to the 5x. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Oh wait, okay, so we have this, and this is our initial value problem. So y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 0. So we plug that 3 equals to minus 1/5 times 0 minus 1/25 plus c e to the 5 times 0. So this is e to the 0, so it's just equal to 1. So you have 3 equals, this one just gets 0, minus 125 plus c. So now this one passes to the other side. So you have 3 plus 1/25. That it's the same as having, this is just 75/25. So we have 76/25. It's equal to c. And this equation, it's defined from minus infinity to infinity. That's the interval. And therefore our answer, we're just going to change this c for this 76/25. So we just have y, it's equal to minus 1/5 of x minus 125 plus 76/25 of e to the 5x. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed.